Welcome to English Hogwarts, where inspiration meets action. Join us for stories of resilience, like Maya's hill race triumph with crutches, sparking your inner strength. Subscribe, hit the bell, and let's rise above limits together. In a small town nestled between rolling green hills and a sparkling river, there lived a man named Arjun. People often called him the happiest man in town because he always wore a warm smile and greeted everyone with kindness. But the truth was, Arjun hadn't always been this way. The man who forgot to live years ago, Arjun was just like most people, running after money, chasing status, and worrying about things he couldn't control. He thought, I'll be happy when he got a bigger house, a better job, or more respect from others. But each time he achieved something, happiness came for a moment and then vanished like sand slipping through his fingers. One evening, feeling tired and empty, Arjun sat on a park bench. There, an old man with bright eyes and a calm smile sat beside him. Old man, you look like you're carrying the whole world on your shoulders. Arjun, I guess I am. I just want to be happy, but it never lasts. Old man, that's because you're searching for happiness outside, my boy, but it lives inside you. The lesson of the jar. The old man picked up an empty glass jar from his bag. He placed a few large stones inside. Old man, is the jar full? Arjun, yes. The old man smiled, then poured small pebbles into the jar, shaking it so they filled the gaps. Old man, full now? Arjun, yes, I think so. Then the old man poured sand into the jar, filling every tiny space. Finally, he poured water until it brimmed. Old man, this jar is your life. The big stones are the truly important things: health, relationships, peace of mind. If you fill your life with the small things first, money, gossip, worries, there's no room left for what really matters. Arjun felt a deep silence inside him, as if the old man had placed a mirror in front of his soul. The change. From that day, Arjun decided to live differently. He started each morning by being grateful for 3 things. He spent time with people he loved, instead of chasing approval from strangers. He focused on what he could control and let go of the rest. He found joy in small moments, watching sunsets, sipping tea, and helping others. Happiness wasn't something he chased anymore. It became something he carried with him. The truth. Years later, people still asked him, Arjun, how are you always so happy? He would smile and reply, because I stopped waiting for happiness to come. I decided to bring it with me, everywhere I go. Moral of the story: happiness is not a destination, it's a habit. Be grateful, focus on what matters, Let go of what you can't control and choose kindness daily. The more you give happiness, the more it returns to you.